Hello my beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Angie Moon and I love to do a lot of beauty videos. Today I decided to do my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of December. I'm so excited, you guys. But first of all, do you guys notice the shirt that I'm wearing? It's kind of big because it's my husband's shirt, but it is Super Saiyan Blue. Baby, Super Saiyan Blue? Goku? Isn't this a pretty cool shirt? Like, it's really awesome. So anywho, let's go ahead and get started. So the theme for this month is whimsy, as you can see here in the paper. And the very first item in the box, I'm gonna go in order as always, is called Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Little Red Riding Hood Palette. That's this one right over here. Oh my gosh, you guys, I gotta say that as soon as I saw this item, I was so excited and happy because I have been seeing the Storybook Cosmetics all over the internet and everybody raving about it. And basically what I did for the makeup, the eye makeup look that I have right now, I actually used it from this palette because I couldn't help myself. I didn't want to wait. So let's start off by showing you guys the packaging. Look how cute is this. Like, honestly, it just looks like a book. Like, for people who just see it like just sitting around the house and doesn't know about this, like, it honestly looks like a little tiny book. And as you can see here in the front, there's the Little Red Riding Hood with the wolf. Look at the castle, how beautiful. And as we open it right up, it does have a mirror. And at the top it says, someday you will be old enough to start reading fairy tales again. I thought this was like super cute. What a super cute concept. Very unique as well. And as you can see here, it is a little bit messy and towards the middle here because I have a 3-year-old. For those of you who are new and don't know. And my son, as soon as he saw it, he thought it was a book and he loves books. So he just opened it up, and as soon as he saw that it was makeup, he put his fingers in there to try to see, you know, exploring and trying to see what this was. So that's why it's a little messy. So the first eyeshadow color here, this one's called Red. I am wearing it right now on my eyelid. Let's go ahead and swatch that for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna be putting it right here. Now, what I did find, actually, let me show it to you guys right now by just one swatch. You can see here, I'm sorry you guys, my camera is like a little bit crooked. Okay, so let me get a little bit closer so you guys can see it better. But by just one swatch, here is how it looks. I swatch it a second time on there, you can see it a lot more. Look how brighter it looks. So it is a red, but I feel like it's a red orangey color. It's not like very bright red, especially when you're applying it to your eyelids. Or it could be just my skin tone. It just shows, for me, what I see is a little bit orangey red, but it's still a very beautiful color. Now, the next one up here, this one is called Bad Wolf. And we're gonna go ahead and swatch this one. And this one is definitely very shimmery. It is like a brown shimmery shade. And for the next one, this one is called Basket. This is a matte color, a matte brown color, as you can see there. And here they are on my fingers, where you can see the difference that this one is definitely a matte. Now for the next one, this one is called Peril, Peril. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Okay. So as I swatch this one, you can also tell that it's very shimmery as well. Here they all are together. So basically what I did to create this eye look that I have on right now, what I did is I started off with the red color right here, the very first one. Then I went with the basket color, the brown, the matte brown, more towards the end, to kind of create like a little bit of the cat eye effect and to put a little bit of dark. And then towards the end, I used this one, the one that's called Peril. It's like a shimmery red color, so I went over the red, as you guys can see here, to kind of make it more shimmery. For the next color here, this one is called Journey. And this one is a matte color as well. And here you go. It's a very light color where you can use it as a nice transition shade into your crease, or you can use it all over your eyelid, just like a nice natural eye look that you want to make. So now for the very last one, this one is called Woods. And this is another matte shade, and it is also a very light matte shade. So again, you can use this one all over your eyelid if you want to go more for a natural look, or you can use it as a transitioning shade. That is this one right here, Woods. So from the top, we have Red, Bad Wolf, Basket, Peril, Journey, and Woods. Okay, so it is a total of 6 eyeshadows. All right, and this one retails for $35. So for the next item here, we have Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil, and that is this box right here. Okay, and basically what it says it's a soothing facial oil. It's for fine lines and wrinkles. It soothes, nourishes, and it smooths out your skin. Now, are you guys ready to know? It retails for $79. Okay, $79. Oh my gosh. Like, honestly, I cannot wait to try this anti-aging Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. It's a $79 facial oil, so it must do like crazy wonders. So I cannot wait to you know, add it to my skincare routine. For the next one, I do not know how to pronounce this. Ciate is by Ciate. C-I-A-T-E. Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. Ciate or Ciate? You guys let me know if I'm pronouncing it right. I'm so sorry if I'm not pronouncing it right. Now this one I have not even looked at all. Okay, and here is the packaging right here, as you can see. And let's open it up. Wow. And as it says, it is a marbled blush. And the color for this one is Dusk. Now I'm gonna go right ahead and swatch it for you guys. Wow. So it looks like a very nice dusty pink. And it's this one right at the end. Looks very, very beautiful. And that one retails for $26. Okay, so now we're gonna move to the fourth item. This one is by Sarafine Botanicals Daikon and Dreams Lip Exfoliator with Radish Extract. So that's this item right here. As you can see, it says a gentle lip scrub infused with radish and chamomile extracts as well as chia seed oil to keep lips smooth, cleansed, and conditioned. So this one retails for $24. Okay, and now for the very last item in the box. This one is by Browbar, and it is a brow makeover kit. Interesting. So that is right here. The box alone, the packaging, very nice. Now let's open this up and see what it looks like, shall we? This is the front, and this one is the back. Okay, this is looks very nice. Basically the first two are brow powders. The first one is a dark brown, the second one is more of a black, and the third one is more of a cream based. And it brings this brush right here where it is an angled brush, and here is a regular type of brush to kind of add the color to your brows. And this little thing right here, it is a brow mascara, as you can see there, and it's dark brown. This one right here retails for $30. Total for my December's Boxycharm is $194. Wow. It is only $6 away from $200, you guys. And again, the box is around $25 and tax, so about $26 now. But you are getting basically $200 worth of makeup now on the regular box. Good job, Boxycharm. Very, very good job. I give you guys once again a round of applause. Like, you guys truly deserve it. And yeah, make sure you leave me a comment down below. I want to hear from you guys, so let me know. Okay, let me know if you guys are also a Boxycharm customer. So that's about it. I love you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. I keep seeing my subscriber count going up, so for those of you who have subscribed already, welcome to our family. I love you guys. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Let me know your feedback. Do not be shy. Comment down below, okay? I try to reply to each and every one of you. I love it. I love talking to you guys. I love seeing your feedback. I love seeing you guys leave me even a little tiny like heart emoji, anything, you know? I love it so much. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for finding my videos interesting enough for you guys to subscribe. And it means the world to me, seriously. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Happy holidays to all of you guys. Hey, I love you guys so much. And mwah, besitos to all of you guys out there. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Mwah, besitos again, you guys. Bye.